Want to build a stock portfolio that grows for years and secures your financial future? In this video, I'll show you a proven strategy to build a strong, long-term stock portfolio even if you're just getting started. What is a long-term stock portfolio? A long-term portfolio is designed to grow steadily over 10, 20, or even 30 years. Steps to build a strong portfolio. Diversify your investments, spread your money across different sectors: tech, healthcare, energy, and consumer goods. Focus on blue chip and growth stocks. Invest in companies like Apple, Microsoft, or Amazon that have a track record of long-term growth. Include index funds and ETFs. The S&P 500 has averaged 8 to 10% returns annually. Reinvest dividends. Compounding is your best friend. Avoid emotional investing. Stick to your strategy, even in market downturns. Example of a well-balanced portfolio only, for example, not financial advice. 50% index funds, S&P 500, Nasdaq ETFs, 30% individual growth stocks, 10% dividend stocks, 10% bonds or REITs. Building a long-term portfolio is the smartest way to create wealth. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more stock market tips.